Have you ever wondered how computers learn? How they seem to think and make decisions, almost like us? The answer lies in a fascinating field called artificial intelligence, or AI. At the heart of AI are neural networks, the digital dreamers of our time. They are the engines that power everything from self-driving cars to voice assistants. These incredible algorithms are at the heart of just about every futuristic technology you've heard about. But how exactly do these mysterious neural networks work? And why are they so crucial to the future of technology? In today's video, we're diving into the core mechanics of neural networks, the what, the how, and the absolutely mind-bending why. We'll start with a basic neural network that anyone watching can understand, no PhD required, and slowly build it up to decode some of today's most advanced AI systems. And yes, we'll be doing this live right here, step by step, so you can see the magic unfold in real time. But here's the kicker. By the end of this video, not only will you have a solid understanding of neural networks, but you'll also witness that could potentially change the way you think about machines forever. Are they merely tools, or is it time we start thinking of them as more? Stay tuned, because what comes next might just blow your mind. Imagine a vast network of interconnected points like stars scattered across the cosmos. That's what a neural network looks like. Each point is like a tiny brain cell called a neuron. These neurons are organized in layers, connected by intricate pathways. Information flows through this network like signals traveling between stars. Each connection carries a certain weight, determining how strongly one neuron influences another. This intricate dance of signals and weights is how neural networks process information. Think of a child learning to ride a bike. It's a process filled with excitement, curiosity, and a bit of fear. The child is eager to master this new skill, but they know it won't be easy. At first, they wobble, fall, and make mistakes. Each fall might bring a few tears, but it also brings valuable lessons. They learn about balance, the importance of steering, and how to coordinate their movements. But with each attempt, they adjust their balance and steering, learning from their errors. They start to understand how to shift their weight, how to pedal smoothly, and how to keep their eyes on the road ahead. It's a gradual process, but with persistence, they improve. Neural networks learn in a similar way, through a process called training. Just like the child, the neural network starts with no knowledge and makes many mistakes, but it learns from each mistake, gradually improving its performance. We feed them massive amounts of data, like showing the child thousands of pictures of bikes. This data acts as the experiences the child goes through while learning to ride. The more data the network receives, the more it learns. With each data point, the network adjusts its connections, fine-tuning its weights. This is similar to how the child adjusts their balance and steering. The network learns which connections are important and which ones can be ignored. This iterative process allows it to recognize patterns, make predictions, and perform complex tasks. Over time, the neural network becomes more accurate and efficient, just like the child who eventually masters riding the bike. The journey of learning, whether for a child or a neural network, is filled with trial and error, adjustments, and gradual improvement. It's a fascinating process that highlights the power of persistence and the importance of learning from mistakes. Let's say we want to teach a neural network to recognize your grandma in pictures. We show it countless photos, some with grandma, some without. Each time it sees a picture, it tries to identify her, adjusting its connections based on whether it was right or wrong. Over time, the network learns to recognize grandma's features, her smile, her glasses, her hair. It's like the network is slowly piecing together a puzzle, refining its understanding with each image. The AI orchestra. Now imagine thousands of these trained networks working together like an orchestra playing a symphony. Each network specializes in a specific task, recognizing faces, understanding language, predicting traffic patterns. This intricate collaboration of specialized networks is what powers the AI applications we use every day. It's the magic behind voice assistants that understand our commands and self-driving cars that navigate our streets. Whispers in the code. When you ask your voice assistant a question, your voice is transformed into digital signals. These signals travel through a network trained to understand speech, converting your words into a language the system can comprehend. Another network then analyzes the meaning of your question, searching for relevant information or executing commands. It's like whispering a question into a vast network of interconnected minds, each contributing to finding the answer. The self-driving symphony. Self-driving cars rely on a symphony of neural networks working in perfect harmony. Some networks analyze data from cameras, recognizing objects like pedestrians, cars, and traffic lights. Others interpret GPS data, planning the optimal route. And yet more networks control the car's steering, acceleration, and braking, ensuring a safe and smooth ride. The future, painted in data. As we stand on the brink of a new era, the landscape of our future is being meticulously crafted by the power of data and the ingenuity of neural networks. The applications of neural networks are limitless, constantly expanding as we feed them more data and refine their learning algorithms. These algorithms, designed to mimic the human brain, are capable of learning and evolving, making them indispensable tools in our quest for innovation. From healthcare to finance, education to entertainment, AI is transforming our world in unprecedented ways. In healthcare, AI is revolutionizing diagnostics and treatment plans, offering more accurate and timely interventions. In finance, it is optimizing trading strategies and risk management, ensuring more stable and profitable markets. Imagine personalized medicine tailored to your unique genetic makeup, where treatments are customized to your specific needs, reducing side effects and increasing effectiveness. This is not a distant dream, but a rapidly approaching reality, thanks to the integration of AI and genetic data. In the realm of education, AI is creating adaptive learning systems that cater to each student's individual learning style, pace, and preferences. These systems provide a more engaging and effective educational experience, helping students achieve their full potential. Neural networks are the paintbrushes, and data is the palette, allowing us to paint a future filled with possibilities. As we continue to harness the power of data, we are not just predicting the future, we are actively shaping it. The canvas is vast, and the colors are infinite, limited only by our imagination and the data we can collect. The future, painted in data, is a masterpiece in the making, a testament to human creativity and technological prowess. The power of connection. In this chapter, we delve into the profound impact that connections have on the world of artificial intelligence and neural networks. The true power of neural networks lies in their ability to connect, to learn from each other, and to build upon existing knowledge. These connections are not just simple links, they are dynamic pathways that enable the flow of information, fostering an environment where learning and adaptation are continuous. Imagine a vast web of neurons, each one firing and forming new connections. This is the essence of neural networks. They mimic the human brain's ability to process information, adapt to new situations, and improve over time. The more connections they form, the more robust and intelligent they become. Just as human progress relies on collaboration and the sharing of ideas, so too does the advancement of AI. When researchers and developers come together, they bring diverse perspectives and expertise, which leads to innovative solutions and breakthroughs. Collaboration in AI is not limited to just scientists and engineers. It involves a diverse group of individuals, including ethicists, sociologists, and policymakers, all working together to ensure that AI technologies are developed responsibly and ethically. As researchers around the globe collaborate and share their findings, the collective intelligence of these networks grows exponentially, unlocking new possibilities and pushing the boundaries of what we thought machines could do. This global collaboration is a testament to the power of connection, showing that when minds unite, the potential for innovation is limitless. The data flowing through these interconnected networks is like the lifeblood of AI. It fuels the learning process, allowing neural networks to analyze patterns, make predictions, and even generate new ideas. The more data they have access to, the more accurate and insightful their outputs become. The applications of these advanced neural networks are vast and varied. In healthcare, they assist in diagnosing diseases and personalizing treatment plans. In education, they provide personalized learning experiences and help educators understand student needs better. The power of connection in AI is transforming industries and improving lives in ways we never imagined. As we look to the future, the power of connection will continue to drive the evolution of AI. With each new connection, each new piece of data, and each collaborative effort, we move closer to a world where AI can solve complex problems, enhance human capabilities, and create a better future for all. Beyond the horizon. As we venture further into the age of AI, it's important to remember that neural networks are tools. Their potential for good or ill depends entirely on how we choose to develop and utilize them. By embracing ethical considerations and prioritizing human well-being, we can harness the transformative power of neural networks to create a brighter future for all. Join the exploration. The world of neural networks is vast and constantly evolving, full of wonder, complexity, and endless possibilities. This is just the beginning of our journey into the heart of artificial intelligence. I invite you to join the exploration, to learn more about this fascinating field, and to imagine the incredible future we can create together with these digital dreamers by our side.
Thank you for watching. Join us for engaging topics, clear and concise explainers, and tutorials that will help you navigate the complexities of AI responsibly. We also believe in the power of community. Your questions, comments, and feedback are what make this journey exciting. So, don't hesitate to join the conversation and share your thoughts with us. Are you ready to embark on this journey towards a more ethical and responsible AI future? Hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Together, let's shape the future of AI responsibly.